Hello everyone, this is Ina Zinichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making muffins, pumpkin muffins. It's a pumpkin season and I'm absolutely obsessed with pumpkin. Pumpkin every day. Pumpkin latte, pumpkin porridge, pumpkin soup, pumpkin roasted, pumpkin fresh. And we are making with actually canned pumpkin muffins. This pumpkin muffin is super easy. All we need for wet ingredients: pumpkin, olive oil, and 1 teaspoon pumpkin spice. Salt, soda, baking powder, and whisk. Now, wet and dry, mix together. Shake, and here we go. Like a pot. Very tasty, very tasty. Oh my gosh, super moist, delicious. Not overly sweet, and this little crunch. This pecan streusel makes so much difference. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you give it a try, this season pumpkin muffins. Bye, see you next time.